Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing vacuum cleaner durability test. I will be putting this vacuum through multiple different series of tests and quizzes and exams and essays and stuff like that to see how durable it really is. We already have a little piece, or little pieces, that came off, but I have a feeling it's a little stronger than the fan. I'm not going to throw this off the roof because it's a lot heavier than the fan, and I don't really trust myself hoisting it up a ladder by myself. So yeah, I'm definitely hitting it with the bat, yeah. Alright, let's move on. Here we have test number 1. I have 3 different objects I'm going to use for the blunt force test. So I have my trusty Easton baseball bat. We are going to begin with this. Alright, as you can see, there is some minor damage. Got some dust bunnies in here and stuff like that, but yeah, that was a pretty decent hit. I think I'll hit it one more time. Actually, I'll give each object 3 hits. This is hit number 2. I'm gonna hit in a different, oh my god, I actually dented the bat. I'm gonna hit it in a different area now. Okay, well yeah, that was a lot more aggressive, as you can see. I took the entire top off. Let me just pop this back into place here. Now time for one more hit. I think I'm just gonna go straight down on it this time. All right, moving on to object number 2. I have my trusty little axe. She is still standing. Where the hell did that go? Well, this thing is a lot stronger than I thought, so I think we're gonna have to take things to extreme measures. I have to rake you a question. Oh, fuck, shit. Thank you for watching.